Now, Lockheed right now, I've got a picture in my new book of Vance Kaufman on his hands and knees running a Statipult machine, okay? He went through the 4-day training class that My Choice put together. Every manager in Lockheed's been through I think it's down to 2.5 days now, okay? Training course. By the way, they're not our client, so I'm not trying to make this into a sales pitch, far from it. I'm just suggesting to you that if you don't have the general management go through a 2.5-day minimum, or preferably 4-day in both Lean and Six Sigma, you will not get the support you need to get results, okay? And most companies don't do that. But then, so GE really led the way in this, and 1% of the population, you've got all that. But again, as I mentioned, they still had this variation in lead time. So in the 3rd generation of Six Sigma, what we did is we incorporated Lean into it. Now the 4-week curriculum has got Lean and Six Sigma integrated together. So when a black belt comes out, he doesn't say, oh, I'm a Lean guy or I'm a Six Sigma guy. No, he is a ROIC guy, and I'll describe that in the next couple of slides. Okay. How many of you went to Chris's talk? Anybody? Okay. Did he talk about Bob?
Yes.
Okay.
Bob or Lean.
Well, the problem they had at one time was, and this happened to several other companies, had Lean people and Six Sigma people didn't want to talk to each other. And Chris says, look, our job isn't for Lean to beat Six Sigma. And he's got a wonderful story about this Godzilla doll he talks about. I won't go into it. He says, let's call the program Bob. Let's not call it Lean or Six Sigma, call it Bob, so both you guys can get behind it and use both sets of tools. At Lockheed, instead of calling it the DMAIC process, they named it something else because they didn't want the Lean people to think the Six Sigma guys had won, okay? That's allegedly. That's not official history of Lockheed. I don't care what you call it. You got to have process speed and you got to have process quality, or your company is not going to be well served. You got to have the infrastructure to support it, and Six Sigma does that and Lean doesn't, okay?